All right, tell me if you can relate to the story. You go to your grandparents' house, they've got the candy bowl out, you go in, try one of those amazing looking candies, only to be very disappointed because it tastes like black licorice. Well, if you are a black licorice fan, this essential oil is for you. It's called Anise Star and it smells just like black licorice. In this video, we'll be talking all about Anise Star Essential Oil. We'll talk about how to use this oil, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. Anise Star is soothing when applied to the skin. Make sure you dilute it first, and then you can massage into an affected area for soothing relief. You can also use this oil to support digestion. Dilute it and massage it to the abdomen or make a roll-on for digestion support. Another benefit of Anise Star is that it's soothing to your respiratory system. Use it in a diffuser or a steam when you're feeling a little under the weather to help support your body get better. Let's talk about how this oil works. Anise Star is largely made up of the naturally occurring chemical trans-anethol. This ester has had a variety of studies done on it, from which we can get an idea of what this oil is good at. To learn more about this naturally occurring chemical, check out the blog post in the description box. Here's some things to remember about this oil. You should not use it if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. And we recommend using this oil with kids 10 and up. If you're using this oil on the skin, always dilute it before applying it. This essential oil can cause adverse effects with cats and dogs, so be cautious when you're using this oil. If you have a pet in the room, be sure to leave the door open to allow your pet to leave if the oil distresses them. For more safety information on how to use this oil, check out the blog post in the description. I'm Katie from Simply Earth. Thank you for watching. To learn more about how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity, subscribe to these videos.